Indian agriculture operates at a scale of 140 million farming families, often spread across vast and unforgiving terrain. Protecting these crops is a test of physical endurance. Workers strap heavy chemical tanks to their backs and trek across uneven fields in the blistering heat for hours to cover a single acre. This manual process results in inconsistent coverage. Heavy winds cause chemical drift, while laborers suffer direct exposure to high concentrations of pesticide. Productivity is limited by a lack of localized infrastructure capable of delivering precision to the grassroots level. The solution arrives on the back of a flatbed truck in the form of a standardized shipping container. This is the Meghdev Drone Station. It is a rapidly deployable hub that activates within days. Fold-out solar arrays lock into position, establishing a completely off-grid, self-sustaining power supply directly in the field. Each station is managed by a Haldidi, a trained rural entrepreneur. She operates the digital kiosk and flight systems, providing advanced technology to her community. When a farmer identifies a localized pest threat, he reports it through the HAL app. The problem is instantly logged into the station's central system for action. Activating this modular hub connects an isolated village to a coordinated national aerospace network. Inside the station, the system prepares the mission. A robotic arm swaps the battery in the heavy-lift drone, while technicians load the chemical payload. The drone lifts off, navigating with RTK positioning technology. This provides centimeter-level accuracy, allowing the craft to follow a flight path with mathematical precision. The flight relies on a virtual farm network. This isometric digital twin maps physical land, allowing AI to analyze 1 square millimeter pixels for leaf-level diseases like brown spots. For the flight, 1 square meter tiles guide the drone to spray only infected zones, shutting off over empty soil. As the drone encounters a tree branch, its multi-directional radar triggers an immediate halt and trajectory shift to avoid the collision. This targeted robotic application eliminates manual labor hazards and reduces chemical waste by up to 40%. The data gathered from individual village flights feeds upward into a centralized national intelligence matrix. The company organizes this scale through a 4-tier hierarchy. Village HAL kiosks report to block-level Vigo centers, managed by district Meghdev stations and regional FAME hubs. This planned rollout covers 831 districts across India, establishing a synchronized infrastructure grid. A national command center monitors the grid in real time, issuing encrypted tokens to authorize flights while tracking satellite weather data to ensure zero downtime. This rollout provides a standardized framework for rural development, providing the country with a synchronized data network. Farmers receive predictive yield estimates and health reports directly to their phones. Their livelihood now relies on data-driven protection rather than guesswork. The HAL Sathi and HAL Didi initiatives create skilled aerospace careers locally, providing an alternative to forced urban migration. By recording every operation on a secure blockchain ledger and running predictive yield models, the platform maps physical land into a verifiable digital record. This decentralized grid anchors advanced aerospace technology directly into Indian soil.